sure you're breathing. Keep on squeezing until you feel your forearm contract, until you feel your bicep and your tricep and everything contract, until you feel your shoulder and everything, and squeeze, 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 relax. Other side, squeeze your fist, squeeze your arm, squeeze the rest of your arm, squeeze your chest, squeeze your shoulder, squeeze, 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 relax. Take both hands, squeeze both together, squeeze, 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 relax. Who feels just a slightly little bit warmer? Just a little, that's it, just getting your heart pumping. Okay, now, this one is dynamic tension for the legs, and it's designed to help your ankles and your knees get stronger. Because I don't ever want to see somebody be this person. And then your ankle just decides to go another direction. Anybody ever sprain their ankle for no reason? Oh, she showed you right down the road. Okay. Yeah, there's no rhyme, there's no reason, it just does it. So consider that your ankles, I know when you go to the gym, you strengthen your ankles all the time, right? No, you guys don't take thermobands, and you don't go like this back and forth. No, of course you don't. How many of you go into the gym and you do your knee exercises? You don't. Focus on your hamstrings, focus on your quads, focus on your calves, but we don't focus on these things. Because when you pick up your kids, every single time, this is how you pick your kids up, right? Oh, great, I'll just take the whole lower back out, use it with the legs, and you have, no? You mean you pick your kids up like this, and one's on the hip, and one's like this, and you're one balancing. So I don't want anybody to ever have, anybody ever hurt their ACL, PCL, MC hammer? Anybody ever tear that? Oh, just, okay. Were you playing a sport, or, okay, and what have you done since? Like surgery for it? Okay, it has now. Awesome. Let's test it out. So, what we're going to do is, we're going to make sure that your knees, this up here, the muscle, and your ankles are stronger, so that when you're doing things with the kids, you don't ever have to worry about rupturing anything in your leg, because I know that the health insurance that the preschools provide for you is 100% top-notch with really low deductibles. Okay, or we can just do this to be preventive. We'll just move on. All right, so off your heel, ball the foot, breathe in. When I say breathe out, 3 to 5 seconds, just push your foot into the ground. So if you wanted to, you can lift off the other foot. Ready, set, go. Push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Do you guys feel when you do that? Tightens up a little bit? Okay, let's do the other side. Ready, set,